गुरु तेग बहादुर जी पातशाह जी तकरीबन 5-6 साल दी उम्र हुई उन्हां दी. They've just turned, they were about 5 or 6 years of age. It's Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji Paatshah Ji's eldest brother's wedding. And the eldest brother's name was Baba Gurditta Ji. Baba Gurditta Ji, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਆ. And who's their father? Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, yes. So that Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Paatshah Ji that was 6'6" and they wore 2 talwaran, it's their son's wedding, their first child's wedding. Baba Gurditta Ji was the eldest. They had Baba Suraj Jamal, Baba Ani Rai, Baba Atal Rai, then Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. And Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji now, their mother, Chaya, she's excited. She wants to dress her son up, the youngest brother. And their mother's name was? Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's mother's name? Hanji, Mata Nanaki Ji. Okay? Not Bebe Nanaki, Mata Nanaki. So Mata Nanaki nu cha chadya, kendi aa put tenu tiyar kariye aj. She decorates him in gold. Sone de kangan pae, Shahnshah de putre ne. So they're the child of a king of all kings. They put these gold bangles on Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, not the Guru yet. And this gold har as well, this necklace. And Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji just running around. Bar eye, and everybody is looking towards one direction, and towards that direction where now the groom is going to be coming on his horse. Everyone's all excited to see Baba Gurditta Ji. And this 5-year-old child can hear somebody's teeth rattling. So they wander off. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji starts to wander off, and he sees this naked kid just covered up barely, sitting there with his teeth rattling, and he's cold. So innocent child, 5 years of age, have gone up. He's like, "Tu nanga kate baitha hai?" And the child said, because koi bhi bachcha apni marji de naal inni thand vich nanga nahi rehda. No child with their own choice in this winter time remains naked. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji like, "Fir kyun? Then why?" Said, "Sade ghare hai nahi kapde paun vaste. Badi garibi hai." Said, "We haven't got any clothes at home to wear because we live in so much poverty." Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji kende, "How comes I can see teri hadd desde ya? See all your bones." Kende, "Sade ghare kuch khaan vaste hai nahi. We haven't got anything at home to eat. Sade ghare garibi hai bahut. Live in so much poverty. We haven't got any food to eat at home." Said, "Fir tu keme khana? How do you eat?" And I'm just trying to imagine like how they would have even asked these questions, and what type of voice they would have had, in which way. It's like, "Tusi ki khane hai? What do you eat? Whatever somebody gives. Mara mota kha lida hai." Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji Paatshah de man vich जिन्होंने बाणी उचारी गुण गोबिंद गायो नहीं जन्म आकार फकीन कहो नानक हर भज मना जह बिद जल को मीन. उन्होंने अपने कपड़े लाने शुरू कर दिते. They start to take off their clothes. अपने कपड़े सारे ला के नंगे हो गए. तो उन्होंने के वही बच्चा छोटा सी कहते आप पाना. That kid puts Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's clothes on. फिर Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji कहते खाना. What about food? कहते हाँ मैं लेके आना. I'll go and get some. कहते नहीं पर जे मैं कुछ लेके आया तो कहते फिर कहते वो तो हुन तू हुन खा लूँगा तो मुक जाना तो बस. कहते if I go and get that you'll just be able to eat it now and it'll be done. कहते हाँ. Start to take off all the gold. Paatshah say that kood soina, kood rupa, kood pendanhar. And all these things, this gold, this silver that we wear, we adorn ourselves with, they said it's all false. False meaning it's not permanent. It's not going to remain. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji Paatshah say in their own Bani, when they say Sukh dukh jeh parse nahi, lobh moh abhiman, kahu nanak sunare mana, so murat bhagavan. And ustad nindya na hai jeh kanchan lo saman. This is kanchan and loha. Kanchan means gold and lo means just mere iron. They said that someone, what does it mean to be liberated? Kahu nanak sunare mana. Mukt tahe te jaan. What does it mean to be liberated? People talk about freedom and liberation. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji Paatshah kende liberation is that if you're beyond, if you see no difference between gold and iron, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji Paatshah not differentiating that this is something so valuable, and they just take it off as if they're just giving away iron. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੰਗਣ ਉਤਾਰੇ, ਹਾਰ ਵੀ ਉਤਾਰਿਆ. They completely become naked, take off all their gold. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਲੈ ਬੇਟਾ, ਆ ਲੈ ਵੀਰ, here you go my brother, take all of this gold, take it back to your mother. ਆਪਣੀ ਮਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਈ ਤਾਂ ਮਾਂ ਵੇਚ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. This will get you by probably for a good few years. ਦੇਖੋ ਤਿਆਗ, look at the ਤਿਆਗ in Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. ਢਾਲ ਖਾਏ ਕਿਛ ਹੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ, just being able to give, not to be able to give. When we think about giving, giving is, oh, let's see if we've got any old clothes at home that we can give away to the charity shop. But no, this is what they're wearing, their best clothes, not even a thought, not to think, shall I go home to try and find something old? No. What they're wearing, usse velle la ke, kuch soch bhi nahi aayi. You're not acknowledging that you're doing charity. You're not acknowledging that you're giving. You're just doing it. It's natural. They took off their clothes, they give off their sona, and Mata Nanaki Ji says, "Oye, tu nanga kaade firda ya, kamleya? What are you doing running around naked? It's your brother's wedding." ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਆ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ? ਉਹਨੇ ਦੌੜ ਕੇ ਚੱਕਿਆ ਗੁਰੂ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ. She's wrapped him around. It's winter. And now Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji is cold. She's got a shawl, she's wrapped her son around, and she's ran it into the house. ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੀ, ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੁਣੋ. Who is she calling? Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, her husband. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ Gurudev Ji. Gurudev means your master. Gurudev means somebody that enlightens you. Gurudev, Dev from the word Divya, light. Somebody that gives you, gives you chanana. This is Gurudev Ji. Suno. She goes, "Aa dekho tade lal da hal. Look at this little child of yours. You a ladala hai na tada. This is somebody that's so beloved to you." And she said, "Look what he's done now. You spoil him so much." They said, "Look at him now. He's just gone and given everything away. All his gold, everything, it's all gone." Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Paatshah Ji ਕਹਿਣ ਲੱਗੇ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਮਾਂ ਸੀ, there was that time, when Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was born, Asa Di War Kirtan was happening. Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Paatshah was sitting in Sri Harmandir Sahib. Baba Buddha Sahib Ji said to Bhai Gurdas Ji, ਤੁਸੀਂ Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਪੰਜਵੇਂ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਨੇ ਜਨਮ ਲਿਆ, that the fifth son has just taken birth. Bhai Gurdas Ji came to Sri Harmandir Sahib and said to Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਇੱਕ ਬੇਟੇ ਨੇ ਜਨਮ ਲਿਆ. Guru Ke Mahal is the name of that Gurdwara now, which was their house. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji said, "Don't talk to me, because Asa Di War Kirtan's happening. I don't want to know." Because name. Then they listened to all of Asa Di War and the Ardas. Then they went back home. And you know what they did? They've had 4 children before. Well, 5, including their daughter Bibi Viro. They didn't react this way. Soon as they set eyes on Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, the Guru went like this. Namaskar kiti pehla. And then Baba Buddha Sahib Ji came and gave Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, and they put that child in their arms. Kende Sona Nanki, they said to their wife, Kende, you're concerned that he's just gone and given his clothes and he's become naked. Kende ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਤਨ ਟੱਕਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਨੰਗਾ ਕੀਤਾ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ today to cover the honor and the body of somebody else, he's just become naked himself. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾਨਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਆਊਗਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੇਵਲ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਗੱਲ ਨਾ ਕਰ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਆਊਗਾ, ਇਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਸੀਸ ਵੀ ਜੁਦਾ ਕਰ ਦੂਗਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਧਰਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨੰਗਾ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬਚਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ such a day will come. Today he's just taken the clothes from his body away and he's become naked. But day will come that he will even remove his head to protect the honor of somebody else's faith. ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਐਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੱਥਾ ਟੇਕ ਦਿੱਤਾ. It just wasn't for nothing that I bowed my head before this Guru Tegh Bahadur. It's because he's going to do such a thing that nobody has ever done before. ये गुरु तेग बहादुर जी काल खाए कि छत्थो दे नानक राह पछाने से. They're saying this is what this path is about. If you want to know what leads you to God, then this is what leads you to God.